Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into CryptoZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see the market cap has hit newer all-time highs. We are currently sitting at $2.74 trillion, guys, and we are up 4.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours, we're seeing quite a bit of green across the board. And if we do focus over the last 7 days, the markets are booming, guys. Everything is looking very, very nice. Bitcoin has hit all-time highs, guys, today. Bitcoin has officially hit all-time high, and I have been talking about this milestone for quite a while. I've been predicting that this Q4 is going to be a very, very bullish time for the entire space. And, it has lived up to the hype. This month of October has been nothing but extremely bullishness for the entire cryptocurrency space. So, wow, what a nice milestone, especially for Bitcoin holders. And, this is a huge, huge milestone. So, I would like to congratulate the entire cryptocurrency community for this huge milestone that we all have achieved. But today, guys, I want to look at Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain's price, as you guys can see, Vechain is currently trading at 12.4 cents. We are up 6.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 4.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap is at the top 24th spot. Market cap right now is $8.27 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $510.98 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,050%, and in the last 30 days, we're up 34%. So everything is starting to look very, very nice. But, let's look at the charts and see what's exactly going on with the Vechain's price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see Vechain is still, guys, hovering within this range in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And, you guys can see what's happening with Bitcoin's price right now. Bitcoin has passed, all-time highs. We went all the way up to $66,950, and we set a newer all-time high for the price of Bitcoin. And right now we are seeing a retracement occur at its previous all-time high, which is going to be playing as a level of support for the price of Bitcoin right now. And I predicted this, guys. I predicted this move. You guys can go watch my videos, and you guys can see what I have said, and you can clearly see that I was anticipating that Bitcoin is going to see some newer all-time highs, and that's exactly what happened. Right now, there is a lot of momentum building up in the price of Bitcoin, and that is causing the BTC dominance to increase quite sharply right now, guys. We have seen a small retracement occur, but this still has the potential to go even more up as the price of Bitcoin increases, because more money flows into Bitcoin rather than altcoins. And this is why we are still seeing Vechain trade sideways rather than having the parabolic type of moves, and you're outpacing Bitcoin. And I have been mentioning this for quite a while. I did say if Bitcoin were to hit all-time highs, I'm not going to say that Vechain is just going to hover around, in the 78.6, because we were around it. We did see a small bounce back up towards the upside, with the Bitcoin price, but we're not seeing us having the parabolic type of moves where we break, all these levels of resistance and move up towards newer all-time highs. That is not happening. And that is not happening with the majority of the coins, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin dominance is quite high right now. We cannot be ignoring the price of Bitcoin right now and the BTC dominance, because the higher the BTC dominance goes, the more altcoins are going to trade sideways, because more momentum is on the Bitcoin side, and that's exactly the case right now, and that's what we're seeing Vechain still hovering within this range, and we still haven't passed this level of resistance at this 13 cents mark. I have been telling you guys, I personally want us to break out of here and get back into this point 50, because once we break out of this point 50, guys, keep this in mind, guys. Mark your calendars. Once we break out of this zone, this is the zone where I have all my eyes on, and this is the zone where we will really start moving, in my opinion, because this will be the first time ever we are actually going to stay above here since this initial price pullback that we have seen. And that time is coming, guys. Have patience. Have patience. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience is your number one key. And you always want to be investing into projects that have real use case, strong fundamentals, and you guys know I have been saying this for a continuous basis. Vechain is by far one of them. They always keep delivering, always keep innovating, and the partnerships itself speaks for itself. And that itself is makes me super super bullish. And the fact that Vechain as a company are trying to bring mass adoption of the crypto space, guys. You guys really need to put that into perspective, because a lot of big organizations still have not, you know, touched blockchain. They know what it is, but now they are starting to see so many of these big names around the world, big companies around the world started to dive into the blockchain space. And what's going to happen to the other companies? They're going to do that also. And Vechain is one of the projects that is helping these companies get into blockchain, really bring mass adoption to the crypto space. And this is where this market really is headed, guys. This is not like previous years where market was still in the early stages. There's a lot of speculation. People don't like new tech, but now people are really starting to realize, and this is why we're seeing so much, guys. You guys would not believe how much interest is coming in from the institutional side. In the early beginnings, I have been in the space for crypto, in the cryptocurrency space, for quite a while now. I call myself an early adopter. I got in around 2016, early 2016. And even then, guys, the institution side of the spectrum was, always have, talking something negative about Bitcoin. And we're starting to see all those guys now switch on to Bitcoin and start using it as a hedge against inflation. And you guys really see where the markets are headed. So patience is the key, guys. I still believe we are going to see some massive moves for Vechain occur very, very soon. But right now, patience is needed because we do need to monitor the Bitcoin situation along with the BTC dominance. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now? What's your game plan? Are you guys in it for the long haul? Let's say the next 3 to 5 years. Are you guys hodling forever? Are you guys cashing out this year? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on it. And also let me know where you could see Vechain price go at the end of this year. I would love to know that also. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. This helps my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much once again for sticking around, guys. You guys mean the world to me. I do this for you guys, especially my day one supporters. And always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.